We have some riddles for y'all. Let's see if y'all can guess it.
I favor the left, but that's not all. For 14 years, I've walked these halls. With words so bright from lands afar, I teach a tongue that's quite bizarre. My culture's rich, my roots run deep. In class, my lessons aren't for sleep. 3 children mine with years between. Their ages stretch both young and keen. So think it through and take a guess. Who brings the Espanol class success? A teacher proud, both wise and grand, who writes with her left, not her right hand.
Coach Parker? Coach Lewis?
Is it Miss Carrera?
Miss Baker?
Miss Carrera.
Since '06, I've walked these halls, through every season, spring to fall. From courts to fields, I've done my part, coaching players with my heart. 2 kids I have, they keep me proud. You'll hear my voice above the crowd. Announcing games with steady cheer. For Lewisburg, I make things clear. Some say I look, and it's no joke, like Al who lost his Pixar yoke. So take guess, don't sit and stall. Who am I? Come name me y'all.
Since '06. So like they went here.
They've been teaching here since '06.
Oh, so they all. Oh, is it Coach Ham?
Coach Hammond. John Matthew Hammond, Teacher of the Year.
I'm not doing this.
Who's old here? Toy Story. Oh, Coach Hammond.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Zach Clark, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, January 27th. Over the weekend, our Berg Bowlers came in second in the Class 3 Region 1 competition. Congratulations to Bailey Shields on her second place finish, and Drake White on his 5th place finish. Both teams qualify for the state championship and will compete on Wednesday. Amazing work! At the Region 1 7A powerlifting meet on Saturday, Lewisburg finished in second as a team. Those winning medals are 114 pounds, Hudson Woods, 3rd, 123 pounds, Dylan Zuniga, 2nd, 132 pounds, Ethan Zuniga, 3rd, 148 pounds, Tristan Sharp, 2nd, 165 pounds, Brandon Tedder, 2nd, 242 pounds, David, the Champlin, 1st, 275 pounds, Andrew Sparks, 2nd. These lifters will advance to the 7A North Half Championship on February 22nd. Great job, guys! Tonight, your only home game opportunity is varsity girls and varsity boys playing DeSoto Central. Come out and support them as their season is winding down. Basecamp Coding is now accepting applications for high school seniors. Go to basecampcodingacademy.org to apply. Admissions close on February 28th. Boys track is starting practice tomorrow. Track members should meet at the track at 4 p.m. Be there and be on time. And finally, the 30+ club wall is still missing a few students. Remember, you must scan the QR code and sign up. Teachers will not prompt you to sign up. Thanks for watching and have a great Monday.